Farmer protests that have been raging on for a week now across Punjab, Haryana, but now being joined by farmers from Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand who've also hit the streets. 4 entry points to the national capital continue to be blocked. All eyes now on the second round of the government farmer talks scheduled for tomorrow. But so far, there's been no breakthrough. Take a look.
Singhu, Tikri, Noida. Farmers are blocking Delhi's border points one by one, choking the national capital. Throwing traffic out of gear, hitting movement of essential supplies.
This is the Delhi-Noida border, and as you can see, farmers in large numbers are protesting on this border. They're asking the police to let them go to the national capital, but the Delhi police has barricaded the entire area. All of them have brought in their beddings. They are ready with 4 months of ration. If the government does not listen to them, these farmers are saying they will lay siege to the entire national capital.
The movement that began from Punjab has now spread to Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and other North Indian states. A day after the first round of talks with the Narendra Modi government, farmers have decided to submit a list of demands. They accuse the government of trying to divide the farmers.
ये जो संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा है, इसके बैनर और इसकी लीडरशिप में इस संघर्ष को आगे लेके जाएंगे और आगे लेके जाने से जो तय हुआ है वहाँ कि ये संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा अब पूरे जो कल तक पंजाब के संगठनों को इनवाइट करते थे, उन्होंने फाइनल किया है कि अब देश के संगठनों के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भी उस जो बातचीत है उसमें जाएंगे.
However, with over 50 farmer unions taking part in the protest, the divisions are evident.
सरकार ने हमारे साथ धोखा किया, उत्तर प्रदेश और उत्तराखंड के साथ धोखा किया है. जो कानून को अपने हाथ में लेगा उससे ही सरकार बात करेगी, ये मतलब साफ हो गया है. कल मीटिंग के लिए हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं. उत्तर प्रदेश में जहां जहां ये चाहें अपने हिसाब से अपनी आवाज उठाने का काम करें, इन बिल का विरोध करने का काम करें.
The main bone of contention remains minimum support price. While farmers want it incorporated into law, the government is not willing.
देखिए, एमएसपी कानून का हिस्सा पहले भी कभी नहीं थी और एमएसपी किसानों को मिले, यह प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की प्रबल इच्छा रही. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो प्रशासकीय निर्णय के द्वारा की जाती हैं. हर चीज़ के लिए कानून नहीं बनाया जाता.
The farmers have laid siege to Delhi. With more unions joining the protest, the central government has a tough job at hand. A solution could revolve around giving the farmers an assured price for their produce. But without a compromise, the ambitious farm reforms run the risk of being a non-starter. With video journalist Vakar, this is Mosmi Singh from Ground Zero Singhu border in Delhi for India Today.
And while the talks with the government have failed to end the deadlock, the fact is thousands of farmers continue to camp along Delhi borders. Meanwhile, those back home in Punjab are taking care of their fields and they are angry that farmers are being demonized. Manjeet Sehgal gets us this ground report from Punjab on exactly Punjab ke kisan ko gussa kyun aa raha hai. Take a look.
Farmers are digging their heels in. The protesters are charting out strategies in case the fight doesn't see an early end. It helps. The rabi sowing is over.
ਅਸੀਂ 6 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਗਏ ਹਾਂ. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੰਬਾ ਚੱਲੇਗਾ. ਅਸੀਂ ਰਾਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਰਾ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਪਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੁਣ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਚੱਲ ਪਈ ਉੱਥੇ. ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੋਟਰਸਾਈਕਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੋਕ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਮੋਟਰਸਾਈਕਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਉੱਥੇ.
75-year-old Amrik Singh belongs to Keezargarh village of Mohali. While he continues to take care of the fields, his grandson is among the protesters camping in Delhi. Interestingly, while the farmer unions are apprehensive of contract farming, Amrik has been practicing it for many years.
उसके बच्चे कर रहे हैं, उनके बच्चे रहे भी हैं थोड़े बहुते, वो कम कर रहे हैं, काम पूरा हो रहा है. दिक्कत तो है जी, ਆਪਾਂ पैसा भी देंगे, ये पैसे आ गए पैसा भी देंगे, अच्छा नाज पिया कर नाज भी देंगे, पूरी मदद है, अपने पिंड च भी इकट्ठे हुए हैं पैसे, सब ने पैसा दिया.
While protesters are stepping up pressure on the government in Delhi, farmers who stayed back home are praying their agitation is fruitful.
ਇਹ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਹੋਰ ਲੜਾਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਸਰਕਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁਰਸੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਰਸੀ ਤੇ ਬਿਠਾਏ ਕਿਨੇ ਆ, ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਤੰਤਰ ਨੇ ਬਿਠਾਇਆ ਨਾ ਜੀ.
There is a growing sense among farmers that the government should have consulted them before bringing in such sweeping changes.
जो इन्होंने ये पंबल पूसा पाया ना, जब तक ये इसको वापस नहीं लेंगे, जब तक हमारी लड़ाई पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगेगी.
ਇਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਬੜਾ ਮੁੱਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੈਂਸਲ ਕਰੇ ਜਾਂ ਅਮੈਂਡਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਸਵਾਲ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. ਅਜੇ ਤੋਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਐਕਸੈਪਟ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਿਆ ਅਸੀਂ. ਅਮੈਂਡਮੈਂਟ ਕਿਹਾ, ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਬੈਂਡ ਅਪ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ.
Farmers say each family members is heading towards New Delhi, not only to boost the morale of the protesters, but also to provide them the essential items. With video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjeet Sehgal in Mohali for India Today.
And news coming in, many Punjab's Olympians have now threatened to return their Olympic awards. Some of the Arjuna awardees from Punjab, a group of about 30 people, have said that they will return their awards in support of the Punjab farmers. So clearly, with every passing day, the issue is only gathering further momentum. And remember, Punjab's film industry and music industry has also joined the protest. Joining me now is Deep Sidhu, actor who was seen on video, a video that went viral. He was with the farmers at the time. Deep, actors, sports persons, musicians in Punjab, all joining these protests. So it's no longer just about farmers. The entertainment industry has also joined in. Why? Why has this issue struck such a chord?
See, Rajdeep, let's understand, this diverse participation in this protest has another angle as well. We are feeling threatened in terms of a culture. When we feel there are economic reasons, but there are cultural reasons as well. So what is happening? It's not only Punjab, it's Indian culture, the whole diversity in this country. There are different cultures in every state, in every region. So what is happening today, if you see, I was just watching, your program, and then Uttarakhand farmers are coming in. Today we had a Gujarat farmers here. Haryana farmers, of course, they are here. Rajasthan farmers are here. So now every state is joining in. Earlier there was a big question.
Why are actors? I want to understand why this solidarity from people from the acting industry and from other industries. I mean, is everybody just latching onto the bandwagon? I mean,
No,
why are they choosing this moment to return their awards in the case of sportsperson, or you deciding that you want to be part of this agitation?
Yeah, that's what I'm explaining. So what happens, the sense of belonging what we have with this field, because this field has direct association with our culture. Our culture evolved from agriculture. See, this was the first profession of a human being, or first occupation of a human being after, there were forests, and then we got into. So over the period of years, this culture is evolved from agriculture. Today, if the control of land is going to go away from farmers, which is going to happen, and it's the reality, because the whole privatization and the corporatization will, take it to that extent. So the culture threat, the language threat, the roots threat is also bringing in a lot of diverse participation.
So you're saying this lies at the heart of the Punjabi identity. The notion of your roots with the land lie at the heart of the Punjabi identity.
That's right. It's no longer Punjabi identity. It's regional identity. See, people are sitting in the cities or living in the cities they have this cosmopolitan kind of a culture, which is multicultural kind of a society. But if you talk about these states like Punjab and Haryana, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, even UP, they have their own culture within the state, which resides in the villages. So that culture, the sense of belonging is so strong. They love their culture.
How will
They
you
enjoy
how will you
their
respond, Deep?
culture. They enjoy the festivals.
No,
so this diverse participation.
No, I take
is
your
because-
point. I take your point about the importance of an agrarian culture, but I want to understand the criticism that you and others have gone through, particularly on social media, is that you all are trying to bring in a radical element. Many of you have suggested, you were among those accused of sort of being seen to identify with more radical Sikh elements. The government used that, or the BJP used that to suggest Khalistanis have infiltrated. How will you respond to those who suggest that the likes of Deep Sidhu are trying to radicalize this movement in some way with their thoughts and their ideologies?
See, let's understand first, it started from Punjab. And when it started from Punjab, most of the farmers in Punjab are Sikhs. And Sikhs have a distinct identity. Amongst a lot of people, you can just recognize them. They'll catch an eye because of their distinct identity. And what happens, that identity have been, propagated in such a way that it is not a farmers' agitation or a protest. It is some other protest, which purposely always the ruling governments, they always do this to isolate the farmer agitation, and they push it into a corner so that tomorrow, sorry, we are in a car, so we are in.
Okay, I'm struggling to.
So tomorrow, if they have to use violence, they can justify it by saying that this was an anti-national element, or the whole agitation was an anti-national agitation, and that's why we had to use some kind of security force violence to snub it.
So very quickly, all of you will stand. All of you are here for the long haul. All of you are here for the long haul. You will stand with the farmers throughout this agitation.
That's right. See what it is. Today we are in a deadlock, and what we are hoping that this.
Okay, I'm going to have to leave it there, Deep, because we are having an audio problem. But I appreciate you joining us. As I said, Deep is just one of the many faces of Punjab who have joined in now, and sportspersons now are threatening to return their awards in support of the farmers.